Oxidean Marine is producing the biggest, baddest RC boat ever produced. We are talking about a 94-inch, 7 feet long catamaran. This thing's gonna be powerful, full carbon fiber. In fact, we have a very special layup that no one has ever presented on an RC boat. This is so awesome, it is bound to blow you completely away. This is the biggest, baddest, meanest RC boat. Nothing can top it. This is a big boy's toy. People with a big lake and a dock off their backyard, sign up. People who just want something totally awesome, sign up. Pictures and details soon from Oxidean Marine.